I think the gas versus the wood, which one is better question has been the most asked one on my channel, and I can see why, because it makes such a difference to your decision as to which oven to purchase. Each pizza oven is an investment, and so it's really important that the right decision is made as to which fuel you want to use in your oven. Gas, hands down, is the easiest way to fire up your pizza, get your oven hot and cook your pizza with. There's no doubt about it. If you just want an easy and fast way to cook pizza without any hassle, gas is the way to go. And this applies to both, experienced pizza cooks and beginners. Gas is suitable for everyone. After all these cooks with all these different pizza ovens, I still feel that the gas one is my go-to for a quick, fast cook. The wood I like to use for when I've got a bit more time and the weather's a bit not warmer, the weather's drier and there's no chance of rain, so I can make sure I've got time to heat it up. So there's not much difference to the heat up time. What there is a difference with is the preparation time to get the wood pellets going, to ignite them, and the real wood logs, if you're using a real wood log fire, to get the lump wood ignited. That takes a bit more time. And that's why I feel it's just easier sometimes to just get the gas on, because of that preparation time, getting rid of all the ash, just cleaning up after you with the wood-fired ovens. The gas, you don't need that, and also you don't need to have any space to store your logs and your lump wood, which does take up room, and all the igniting peripherals like the portable gas burner and things like that. But the crucial thing here is, and I get asked it a lot, this is my view, is there a difference between the taste of a pizza that's being cooked by gas and by wood? And my answer to that is, the only taste I get that's different between the gas and the wood-fired pizza cooks is the ash that may be lying on the stone from the wood-fired cooks. But other than that, I cannot taste the difference. And the reason is that pizza is in the oven for so short a period of time that there's not enough of a chance to get the flavours of your woods onto it. So if you're doing a slower cook, I mean a lot slower wood-fired cook with a really low flame, then there may be more of a chance to get some flavour onto your pizza. But doing a 60-second to a 2-minute cook with a wood-fired pizza oven, it's not enough time to get those flavours onto your crust. However, saying that, there is a difference with the flame. When I bought my pizza ovens back in 2017, the gas flames in many of the pizza ovens that I could see at that time were quite strong and intense and quite powerful, quite forceful, coming out of a very small area. The gas flames now on the newer pizza ovens, for example like the Ooni 16 and the Coda 12, have got a beautiful wispy flame that I feel replicates the wispiness of the wood flame very well. So when you're using those ovens, I feel like I'm really getting very close to a wood-fired cook, but with gas. Saying that, I use the gas burner on the rock box. It is quite forceful, but it's kind of going up at the back and then over, so I still get that wispiness, even though it's got a very strong force coming up. And it's a different design completely, that still cooks very well. So there's no limitations to using a gas burner to cook your pizza. It's just fast and easy, and I don't think it takes anything away from the cook and the taste of your pizza. What is different is the preparation time, the cleaning up time, the mess, getting like lump wood all over yourself, dust and soot. So it's just easier and faster. The good thing though about the wood-fired pizza ovens is that you can use them for other things. You may want to put the door on and maybe cook something you like for a longer period of time that will infuse into whatever you're cooking in the oven. So you do have that option, and the wood-fired ovens also come with a door, so you can close it up, lower the temperature and cook in there for a while, as long as you keep the back topped up, the fuel grate topped up. So do I have a favourite between the wood and the gas-fired pizza ovens? I used to say, maybe about 18 months ago, that I preferred the wood-fired pizza ovens because of the flame. But now the gas-fired pizza ovens of the Ooni 16 have come through with this beautiful wispy flame as well. It's tightening that gap, and now I'm finding it harder to say it's wood. However, there is something about cooking with wood, the smells and everything like that. And I know it takes a bit longer, but there is something really just nice about cooking with wood, and I enjoy it, even though it takes a bit more preparation time and maybe a bit more skill in maintaining the flame at the back, which is easy to learn because you get used to it, and once you've done it a few times, you know exactly what to do going forward. A gas-fired pizza oven is great if you're starting off cooking pizza because that flame is always there, it's consistent. It's not going to go away unless your gas runs out, and you've got controllability at a flick of the dial. So the Ooni 12, that's a wood pellet oven, but after using it quite a few times now since I bought it, as soon as I've lit that oven, it's as easy as gas because you've got the pellet topper and it just feeds the grate without you doing anything. So I treat the Ooni 12 wood pellet pizza oven very much the same as a gas-fired, in that I just fill it up at the back once it's lit, and then I just don't have to do hardly anything other than tap the hopper. I think it's called a topper or hopper. You tap the hopper at the back and then it's good to just feed it through. So that's pretty easy oven to use if you want to venture into wood-fired ovens. I think the Ooni 12 is a very good fast cooking pizza oven, and it's also great for beginners. I think that if you're not used to wood-fired cooking in general, getting a wood-fired pizza oven is going to add another area of work to learn how to use it, and a bit of a challenge. The gas is good to go because it does everything you need and you don't have to learn how to manage wood. But what's great about these multi-fueled pizza ovens is that you've got a choice. So say you start off with a gas because it's easy and you're learning to cook pizza, so you want to focus on cooking your pizza and learning how to rotate it and the flame management of the gas fire. You can do that, but then when you feel that you're getting more experienced with cooking your pizza, you can flip it to the wood-fired element side of the grate fuel at the back, and you can start cooking with wood because you've already got your confidence with cooking with the gas flame. I feel that the multi-fueled ovens give you that opportunity to develop as a pizza cook. So you can start off with gas, learn how to cook pizza, and then when you feel more confident, you can start to move into the wood-fired cooking area. And that gives your pizza cooking another dimension. It gives you an ability to do lots of other things. And that's why I really do love multi-fueled ovens, because you do have best of both worlds. And the Ooni 12 does that, and I'm hoping that that's also going to be the case for the Ooni 16. My favourite gas-fired pizza oven right now is the Ooni 16 because of the size of the oven and the flame going through two sides at the back. Is that my favourite pizza oven right now? I'm going to do another video on my favourite pizza oven because there's so many reasons why. I don't have a perfect pizza oven yet, but I do have some amazing pizza ovens. They're all really good. They all do exactly what it says on the box. They all cook great pizza, and if it doesn't, it's not the oven. It's always been my error, my user lack of experience or whatever. The oven will do whatever you want it to do, but you've got to know what you're doing to make it work effectively for you. So check out all my videos where I've got tips on how to use the different ovens. I'll link them here and in the description box below. I've got top tips for using a number of the pizza ovens I've got. Maybe your pizza cook base isn't being cooked as quickly as your crusts and your toppings. Check those videos out. They explain what I do to get that sorted. Overall, gas-fired ovens are great if you're starting off cooking. There's no difference for me in the taste of the pizza between a gas and a wood-fired cook because of the length of the cook. Multi-fueled pizza ovens give you the choice of starting off with a gas fire if you're new to pizza cooking, and then as you get more confident you can move into the wood-fired area of pizza cooking. So that's a nice choice. At the end of the day, gas-fired ovens aren't just for beginner cooks, they're for everybody, and even if you're experienced, they do exactly what you want them to do. Do it quickly and with ease. That's from my experience of cooking. Let me know what your thoughts are. You may have a different view on that from your experiences of cooking. Please share your thoughts because it'd be interesting to know what you think about it. Hope you found it useful. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.